Students, hi, welcome to the last few weeks of this term. We have Unit 14 and Unit 15 revealed, and what we will do is we will kind of reflect upon what we've done this term and take a final quiz. What I want you to do for the forum this week is find a couple different infographic examples, ones that inspire you, and then post them to the forum. You want to ask 3 questions of those infographics. In what way does it inspire the viewer to learn more about the subject? Does the infographic break down complex information and make it simple to understand? If so, how? And then, is the infographic visually appealing, and how so? Once you've posted, respond to your peers with thoughtful feedback. Okay? That is the forum for this week, or this unit, and then take the final quiz. Read through an article with some interesting 2018 infographic trends. You're starting to see them everywhere, broken down by data, movement. You're seeing, some of the things that you see here. There's different things added slowly to the infographic. And then for the last and final unit of the term, be sure you take that instructor course evaluation. I will allow you all some extra credit if you post to the submission link with your final screen capture of your completion page. It's been such a pleasure seeing your transgressions throughout the term, building long documents, understanding the small skills required to work with complex documents in InDesign. Can be a really difficult program, and a lot of you really broke through some of the barriers that were required in learning these things through an online format, and I'm really impressed and proud. Please contact me and stay connected to my YouTube page to be able to refer back as some of the versions of Adobe quickly upgrade throughout the time frame. Maybe next year you want to check back to the YouTube page to see what's new. At JC, especially that you can get updated information that way. If you have any questions, please let me know. Other than that, those are the last requirements for the last 2 units of the term. And I hope that any late work that was agreed upon previously with me, according to the late policy, I need that no later than May 4th, Friday midnight. I cannot accept anything past that time, as I have to complete and update my grades by that following Monday. Okay, have a very productive last few units, and connect with me if you need to come see me on Central Campus or through the digital space. Connect with me, and best of luck to you all.